the spark plug coming out. So it seems fine. Guys, this is kind of funny. I always had this tool. I don't know where I got it, but I got it. And I always been wondering, like, what's it for? You know, obviously it's a special tool of some sort to get somewhere. So I kind of thought, you know what, doesn't fit my spark plug. Stuck it in there. Man, it fits it really nice. And then I tried to twist it. It would not twist. And then basically when you you know, put it off to the side like this, it kind of like it locks it in, so it allowed me to do it. And then you could just simply pull it out like this. And I thought this is kind of funny. I mean, you know, I always had this tool, I never really used it. So we have the spark plug coming out. So it seems fine. I think I'll take some sandpaper to it. Just sand off a little top portion. Let's try to sand. And then do the same thing for the top. I mean, maybe this is going to improve the spark. You just never know. But it seems like it's pretty good. So we're gonna actually go ahead and replace it. Use this to actually replace it. This is kind of weird that I got this tool. If anybody remembers what this tool is for, or seen it before, let me know what it's for, because I probably picked it up at a yard sale or something and I just kind of like threw it in my bag. Because look, you could even twist it a certain way like this. Well, once you lock it in place, you could twist it and then, you know, apply torque to it, you know. So you could, you know, do that the same thing that way. You could apply torque once again and from the bottom. So it does have, you know, some uses for it. So, you know, this is good and tight. I mean, I really don't want to over tighten it. You know, you could also break these spark plugs. So we got this nicely in there. So now the only other issue is with the oil. I never replaced the oil on this thing, and I never watched the video how to do it, because I'm the one that makes these videos. So let me see if we have anything in here. I don't want to. So we have some grass buildup over here. I could see some kind of bolt at the bottom right there. Possibly for changing oil. I don't know just yet, but this video it's not about an oil change. However, if we must, I'm gonna create a separate video for it, because obviously a very important thing. But I think if you pour the fuel out of it, like it's gonna be like empty and fuel, this is just something I'm gonna include, right? Probably how I'm gonna end up doing this, because that plug, if it is there, it's not comfortable to reach. So this is the way I would do it. I would use up all the fuel first, all of it to the drop, then undo this oil thing, and then I would tip the lawnmower over just like it is on the table here. Have some kind of bucket, oil bucket, drain all the oil, and then just put like a brand new fresh 1 quart of oil inside, you know. So we're gonna do that today. I'm just gonna use it up first, and then we're gonna replace it with 1 quart of oil. So we'll do that. So let's get it outside right now and see if we could actually get it to work. As you can see, I already moved everything over here, and then it kind of gave out. So we want to always push this on, and then let's pull it.
Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.